Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rate alerts on the Wise app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Wise app on your Android device and log into your account. Once you are on the homepage of the app, you will see Get Exchange Rate Updates. Tap on it. Now, tap on Create a new alert. On this page, you can select both the source currency and the target currency. Simply choose the currencies you want and then select either daily updates or threshold updates depending on your preference. After that, tap Continue, then tap Save Alert and your alert will be saved. This way, you can easily enable exchange rate alerts for different currencies in the Wise app. And that's it. Now you know how to get rate alerts on Wise app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.